So let's start. Good afternoon, everyone. We are the reporters sa karon nga adlaw. So our topic is all about general circulation with the thermal circulation and earth rotation. So first is thermal circulation. So ano po ba ang thermal circulation? Okay, what are thermal circulation? Ang topic na ko is topic 1, thermal circulation. 2 is role of convection in thermal circulation patterns. Thermal. So ano po ba yung thermal? Thermal talks about, syempre, temperature driven by circulation. From the word thermal is about temperature, the speed of the molecules of air. Then if moving faster, it becomes warmer. If moving slower, it becomes cooler. Or warm area takes up more space. Colder air is going to take up less space. So this reference is nakuha na ko siya sa Screencast-Matic. Topic 2 is the role of convection in thermal circulation patterns. Convection cell is a circular pattern of substance like gas, liquid, solid, rising and falling. It becomes hotter or cooler. It depends kung pasaka ba siya or pababa siya. Or in short, the idea of buoyancy. So on topic 2 is mo ni siya ang complete thermal circulation. So mag-draw ta para mas masabtan. So dere ang complete thermal circulation is mura sa para siya ani gikan sa north tapos paadto dere sa south. Tapos when it goes up sa south is the warm area. Pusingan na siyang circulation. So di ba ingon dito sa kaganinang report na mo is ingon di ba dito, wait lang. Ingon dito is kung ano the rising and falling, it becomes hotter or cooler. And then katong if cold air mahimo siyang less space. If warm air mas take siya og more space. Sorry kayo kay giluas ko. Tapos mo ni siya. So kung cold siya, ingani siya less space. Tapos when it comes warm, ingani siya mas take siya og dako nga area. And then next, ato sa i-erase. Ato ang draw. Okay, next is unsa ang kalahian sa circulation sa daytime o sa nighttime. Ang daytime syempre is ano man siya sa init, sa sunlight. So ang land is mas mas dali siya mag-absorb og heat kung unsa ang matapat sa iya, is it warm or cold. So this one is example sa Carisha land siya. So kung daytime di ba init man kayo, so mag-absorb ang land og init, tapos goes up, tapos mahimo siya og bugnaw, tapos nga na ang iyang circulation then sa ocean. And then ang ocean is dili siya dali mag-change ang iyahang temperature kaysa sa land. So sa ocean is kung gikan siya sa nighttime, naa pa siya'y na remaining nga bugnaw. So pag mag-circulate ang init diri sa ocean, dili siya dayon ma-absorb totally tanan kay naa pa may nabilin nga cold sa ocean gikan sa nighttime like this. So yung ani ang nighttime kung cold na pud siya, kung bugnaw is bugnaw na pud ang iyahang ma-absorb sa ato ang land. Then, 'di ba nakapansin man mo nga kung mas lower ang area pag init is init pud kaayo ang area kay kuan man siya mas mas dali man mag-absorb ang land or kaya kung taas ang kung taas ang latitude kay 'di ba ingon dito nga as it rises it replaced by cooler air. So kung taas ang latitude sa inyong area like sa mga bukid-bukid so na possible gid nga dili siya init kundi ang iyahang hangin dito is bugnaw kay mas kuan man siya mas taas man ang iyahang latitude, mas taas ang iyahang area sa mga bukid than compare sa mga cities like Jensan na binakong concrete siya so mag-absorb jud siya og init kaayo. Next, in summary, atong tandaan the process of thermal circulation first start ang change horizontal temperature difference result in the change of buoyancy of the substance and pressure gradient vertically. So, nag-start siya og change depends sa it depends siya sa change of temperature like the change of buoyancy. And then the air moves horizontally from region of high pressure to region of low pressure. Tapos, mo na to siya. Hopefully namin nasabdan and thank you.
Start na ko? Di ako maka-share screen. Okay, good. Good afternoon, classmates. My report is all about Earth rotation. This is the continue of the report of Miss Kagang. So, this is the outline of my report. What is Earth rotation? How does Earth rotate? What is Earth's rotation time? What happens when Earth's rotation? Does the Earth rotate in 24 hours? Does the Earth rotate in 24 hours? What would happen if the Earth stopped rotating? Effects of Earth rotation are: what is the importance of rotation? Okay, first is what is Earth rotation? Um, alam ko naman na familiar tayo sa Earth rotation yung sa topic namin ni Miss Kagang dahil pinag-aralan na natin to during elementary at saka high school natin. So, Earth rotation. Earth rotation or Earth spin is the rotation of planet Earth around its own axis, as well as changes in the orientation of the rotation axis in space. Earth rotates eastward into prograde motion as viewed from the Earth ay from the North Pole star Polaris Earth turns counterclockwise. How does the Earth rotate? Earth spins around its axis, just as top spins around its spindle. This spinning movement is called Earth's rotation. At the same time that the Earth spins on its axis, it also orbits or revolves around the Sun. This movement is called revolution. So, ano yung spindle? Yun. According to my research, the spindle whole body is the micro which microtubule organizing center in yeast cell. Either of the ends of a spindle, a specialized microtubule structure designed to attach and capture chromosomes in order to partition them evenly to each daughter cells. Bakit naka-cells to? At the same time, that the Earth spins own axis, it also orbits. Ano yung orbits? In physics, an orbit is the gravitationally curved trajectory of an object, such as the trajectory of a planet around a star or natural satellite around a planet, around the planet. Normally, orbit refers to a regular repeating trajectory. Through it may also refer non-repeating trajectory. So, ano yung trajectory? Trajectory, the path followed by a projectile flying or an object moving under the action of given forces. So, the next is, what is Earth rotation time? According to my research, the Earth rotates once every 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4.09053 seconds, called the sidereal period, and its circumference is roughly 40,075 kilometers. Gets man, no? Ni-research ko lang itong mga outline na ginawa ko. What happens when Earth's rotation? According to my research again, rotation causes a deflection of a ocean and air currents. The Earth rotates much faster than the winds or currents move. This causes a large deflection in the direction that wind that winds move and ultimately result in rotation around low pressure cell and high pressure cell. So yun na nga. Yung um, yung rotate daw ng earth natin mas mabilis kesa sa hangin. Does the earth rotates in 24 hours? According to my research again, actually nandyan yung mga tawag nito, yung mga dito sa baba, yung mga na-research ko, yung mga kung saan ko kinuha. According to time, date, on average, with respect to the sun, Earth rotates once every 86,400 seconds, which equals 24 hours or 1 mean solar day. Yun ang 24 hours rotates. Why does the Earth rotates every 24 hours? Yun. According to, na-research ko rin, according to Luhmann said, the Earth keeps spinning because it was born spinning. Yun na nga. Familiar naman tayo or gets, di ba? The Earth keeps spinning because it was born spinning. So, Luhmann said, noted in, different planets have different rates of rotation. Mercury, closest to the sun, is slowed by the sun's gravity, making but a single rotation in the time it takes the Earth to rotate 58 times. What would happen if the Earth stopped rotating? It wouldn't be good. At the equator, the Earth's rotational motion is at its fastest, about 1,000 miles an hour. If that motion suddenly stopped, the momentum would send things flying eastward. Moving rocks and ocean would trigger earthquakes and tsunamis. The still moving atmosphere would score landscape. Next, effects of Earth rotation. This is the 5 effects of Earth rotation. Number 1, the rotation of the Earth causes the day and the night. The speed of the Earth rotation has affected the shape of the Earth. The Earth's rotation affects the movement of water in the ocean. The speed of rotation also affects the movement of the wind. So, gets naman, no? Na-research ko lang ito. Then, lastly, what is the importance of rotation? Because of the speed of rotation, a centrifugal force is created which leads to the flattening of the Earth at poles and bulging at the center. The Earth's rotation affects the movement of water in the ocean. The tides are deflected due to the rotation. The speed of rotation also affects the movement of the wind. Then, thank you for listening. Actually, yung mga ginawa kong outline is based on my research. Siyempre, familiar din tayo sa topic namin ni Miss Kagang. And sana may maintindihan kayo about sa ano yung mangyari pag yung Earth natin hindi na stop rotating, kung ilan yung oras na pag-rotate ng Earth. So, sana marami kayong natutunan sa mga ni-research namin. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you po. And for in addition na lang po is um ingon dito sa McGraw-Hill Book Company, the equator receive more solar radiation than the higher latitude. So equatorial air being warmer is lighter and tends to rise. And it rises, it is replaced by cooler air from the higher latitude. So dito sa giingon is um, ang equator daw receive more solar radiation than the higher latitude. So as an example is ang Philippines, ang Philippines is nasa equator area man siya. So mas tend siyang na mas warmer siya, and we have intense summer than sa katong mga nasa high latitude like sa polar, sa north area, itong mga bugnaw kaayo tong naga-ice na. So mo lang to, and hopefully na sabtan ninyo ang among report, and that's all. Thank you kaayo sa inyong pagpaminaw.